it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch. Good morning, and I just wanted to check in with a quick lunch update for you today. If you are new to my channel, I am the mother of two girls, one of whom attends a Jewish preschool, and we are sort of fair weather Jews. We don't keep kosher at all. But I found that once I started sending her to school, I needed to come up with different lunch ideas that would adhere to a kosher style menu. And today's is a really good example of sort of the life before Jewish preschool and life after, where I made pancakes this morning. And my schedule has been really busy, so I made up a bunch of pancakes. We'll have them for breakfast, but I'm also packing them for lunch because I love to cook once, serve twice if possible, especially when it's just busy runaround time in the summer. So in our life before nursery school, my daughter definitely would be like, "Where's the bacon, mommy?" Like, really, I started packing lunches for her, and I found that she was wondering like why there was no bacon on her egg sandwich. So packing kosher style is really rather easy. I just keep milk and meat in separate lunches, not in the same packed lunch. And often I'm packing vegetarian lunches. Today is breakfast for lunch, so a little noisy. I'll do a proper shot of this lunch, but I wanted you to see that I'm packing today pancakes that I also made for breakfast. I'm going to put a little bit of maple syrup in her dip container, and then I just simply cut up a little peach. I have tomatoes from our garden this morning. We have little sun gold tomatoes, a couple of red tomatoes, and even this tiny little spoon tomato variety, like a blueberry size. So I'm packing a slice of fresh mozzarella and tomatoes, a peach, and a few small kernels of popcorn for breakfast, or actually for lunch today. Anyway, everyone's back from walking the dog, so that's all for today, but just some breakfast for lunch ideas for you, and I'm leaving the bacon out of this one. Thanks so much for watching.